you have these subjects as vocational courses available, right? So जितनी अर्ली उसमें से आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हो गया, चाहे वो इमर्जिंग और टेक्नोलॉजीज होगी, आईओटी होगी, मशीन लैंग्वेज होगी, ये सब की सब जो है बहुत अर्ली स्कूल लेवल पर अब ये प्रोग्राम शुरू हो गए हैं। तो ये जो अब हम लेके आए हैं, हम बात कर रहे हैं, हम बेसिकली 3 सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम्स की बात कर रहे हैं एज अ सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल प्रोग्राम्स इन दीज 3 एरियाज एंड प्लस 10 शॉर्ट टर्म सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेज भी हैं। कई लोग हो सकता है जिनको पहले ही कुछ काम कर रहे हो आईटी इंडस्ट्री में, उनको बेसिक लेवल नहीं करना है, उनको स्पेशलाइज्ड वन पर्टिकुलर कोर्स करना है, तो वो शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम्स भी अवेलेबल हैं। एंड एज आई सेड, द ब्यूटी इज इट्स सेल्फ पेस्ड, प्लस लाइव क्लासेस भी होंगी जो इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स लेंगे, एंड दे विल बी क्विज एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स इन बिटवीन to test the receptivity of a student, of a candidate, और उसके बाद उनको एक joint certificate from Boston Training Academy and CSE Academy की तरफ से दिया जाएगा। ये एक सर्टिफिकेट का फॉर्मेट है जो कि एक जॉइंट सर्टिफिकेशन जैसे बोला दिया जाएगा कैंडिडेट को जो सर्टिफाई कर लेते हैं। और इसके अंदर जैसे आप देख रहे हैं ये सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स है, तो इसके अंदर कौन कौन सी स्किल्स एंड कॉम्पिटेंसीज कैंडिडेट ने गेन करी हैं वो इसमें मेंशन होते हैं। तो ये सब जो आप देख रहे हैं ये शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज इसके अंदर हैं। तो लेट अस जस्ट क्विकली गो थ्रू दीज 3 मेन सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल प्रोग्राम्स, थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में, और आने वाले आगे स्पीकर्स थोड़ा इसको और भी डिटेल में थोड़ा बताएंगे। सबसे पहले हम डेटा साइंस की बात करते हैं। तो डेटा साइंस का ये प्रोग्राम है, ये मॉड्यूलर प्रोग्राम है। दैट मीन्स इट हैज ड्यूल सर्टिफिकेशंस। ऑल दीज कोर्स 1, कोर्स 2, 5 कोर्सेज हैं। इनका हर एक का इंडिविजुअल टेस्ट होगा, क्लासेस इंडिविजुअल है, सब इंडिपेंडेंट वो है, बट इस सीक्वेंस में होंगी। तो इंडिविजुअल कोर्स का भी सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, एंड वंस अ कैंडिडेट completes all these 5 courses, they qualify for a certified professional in data science certification, which is a joint certification. And this will tentatively take around 6 months time. And जैसे आप देख रहे हैं 5 कोर्स मॉड्यूल्स हैं इसमें, बाकी भी जितने भी हमारे इसी स्ट्रक्चर पर बने हैं, एंड वेरी वेरी सिंपल फॉर्मेट में ये बनाए गए हैं पूरे प्रोग्राम्स, और ये हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश में क्लासेस होंगी। और अगर कोई रिक्वायरमेंट हुआ, हमें लगता है कि कोई लाइव क्लासेस बैच मोड में होगा, हमें लगता है जैसे लेट्स से कर्नाटका या तमिल वहाँ के ही स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो वो उस लोकल लैंग्वेज में क्लासेस कंडक्ट हो सकती हैं, राइट। सो हमारा तो सीएसई का पूरा रूरल फोकस है, एंड वी विल बी वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल टू डू दीज प्रोग्राम्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन द स्टूडेंट्स जो ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। फर्स्ट बैच जो है इसका, जिसमें फर्स्ट कोर्स पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग का स्टार्ट होगा, वो 20th of September से स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है। और जैसे जैसे स्टूडेंट पास करेगा अगले कोर्सेज का बैचेस अनाउंस होते जाएंगे। इसी तरह नेक्स्ट है बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स। दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, चाहे आईटी इंडस्ट्री में हो, किसी भी इंडस्ट्री, हर एक जगह बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स की प्रोफेशनल की बहुत जरूरत है। तो इसके अंदर भी हमारा जो फर्स्ट बैच है, जो इसका फर्स्ट कोर्स है डेटा साइंस थ्रू एक्सेल, वो हमारा 20 सितंबर से स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है। और इसके अंदर भी दे आर 5 कोर्स मॉड्यूल्स, हर एक का इंडिविजुअल सर्टिफिकेशन मिलेगा, एंड वंस अ स्टूडेंट कंप्लीट्स ऑल दीज 5 इंडिपेंडेंट कोर्सेज, दे क्वालिफाई फॉर अ सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स सर्टिफिकेशन। देन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज देयर। So there is no sequence कि कैंडिडेट पहले जो है डेटा साइंस का करे, फिर बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स का करे, फिर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। बट इसके अंदर जो कोर्सेज हैं 5, उसका सीक्वेंस स्ट्रक्चर किया गया है कि इस सीक्वेंस में कैंडिडेट करे, सो द लर्निंग विल बी मच बेटर। तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में जब हम प्रोफेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, देन अगेन द फर्स्ट कोर्स टू स्टार्ट विद इज पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग। तो 20th को जैसे बताया फर्स्ट बैच स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है इसका। तो ये हमारे, मैं कह सकता हूँ, अम्ब्रेला प्रोग्राम्स हैं। और इंडिविजुअल कोर्सेज जो हैं कैंडिडेट, ये करीब 10 कोर्सेज हैं, ये इंडिविजुअल ज्वाइन करके सर्टिफिकेट लेता रहेगा, और जिस प्रोफेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन में उसको क्वालिफाई करना है उसके लिए फिर वो अप्लाई करके सर्टिफिकेशन। तो थोड़ा आगे हमारे स्पीकर्स जो हैं वो थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में भी बताएंगे, बिकॉज आज की डेट में जब हम NLP की बात कर रहे हैं या हम प्रिडिक्टिव एनालिसिस की बात कर रहे हैं, डीप लर्निंग, ये थोड़ा सा इसको हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे ताकि हमारे VLEs के लिए थोड़ा सा ये बेटर रहेगा। तो थोड़ा सा हमारा कोर्स हाइलाइट्स जो हैं, जैसे बताया, ये सेल्फ बेस्ड होगा along with लाइव क्लासेस जो इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स बॉस्टन ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी के थ्रू हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे। और हर एक जो कोर्स है, छोटे सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेज, ये 30 से 60 घंटे का इसमें लर्निंग कंपोनेंट है, लर्निंग कंटेंट है। हैंड्स ऑन प्रैक्टिस के लिए स्टूडेंट्स को जो बॉस्टन का क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहाँ पे वर्चुअल लैब एनवायरनमेंट है, वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करने का मौका मिला जाएगा। क्विज होंगे, असाइनमेंट्स होंगे, फैकल्टी के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं। कोई क्वेश्चन है तो फैकल्टी के साथ लाइव क्लासेस में भी और उसके बाद में भी, जैसे क्योंकि बैच फॉर्मेट होगा तो हमारे जैसे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप हो सकता है, तो उसके अंदर स्टूडेंट्स फैकल्टी से भी और आपस में भी इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं। एंड देन बिकॉज देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिमांड, so Boston will help us to connect with the potential industry यहाँ पे requirement है, एंड इवन कॉलेज लेवल पर ये ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छी तरह कनेक्टेड हैं। तो वो एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी हमारे लिए कि हम इसकी इन एरियाज में जो अपस्ट्रीम एरियाज हैं, इसमें रूरल एरिया में एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी अपॉर्चुनिटीज स्टूडेंट्स की एनहांस करने जा रहे हैं। एंड ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि ये बैच मोड में होगा, हर एक बैच का हमारा 40 से 50 का स्टूडेंट्स का एक बैच होगा, लिमिटेड सीट्स होंगी ताकि फोकस्ड अटेंशन दिया जा सके हर एक कैंडिडेट को। बट ये पूरा का पूरा वर्चुअल ऑनलाइन मोड में ही होगा। तो लोकल लेवल पर वो जो प्रॉब्लम होती है हमारी की अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फैकल्टी, वो इशू नहीं रहेगा हमारा। तो ये एक ब्रॉड हाई ओवरव्यू था जो हमारे कोर्सेज हैं। ये हमारा DG पाठशाला पे जो हम बता रहे हैं, ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म, वहाँ पे ये कोर्सेज स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन करेगा और वहाँ से ये अपना परचेज करके एंड देन दे विल कंटिन्यू द लर्निंग। एंड बाकी सारी चीज़ें इसी कोर्स में LMS पर ही बताया जाएगा। और 20th को फर्स्ट बैच स्टार्ट हो रहा है। एनरोलमेंट्स ऑलरेडी आज से स्टार्ट हो गई हैं। सो जितने भी हमारे VLEs हैं, एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल, क्योंकि सीट्स लिमिटेड रहेंगी पर बैच। अगर ज़्यादा होते हैं कैंडिडेट्स, सो वी विल ट्राई टू सी एंड शेड्यूल अनदर बैच फॉर द अंडर द सेम course. So, sir, with your permission, Tyagi sir and Mr. Ved, we are at the launch to launch these programs. So, with this now we move ahead and get started with these programs, and we have our esteemed invited guests from Boston, and of course Dinesh Tyagi sir, who will be addressing and sharing more of their insights about these programs, the need and opportunities under these. Thank you very much, Bandna ma'am. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. It was very interesting to know इतनी अच्छे बिल्कुल हाईटेक न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोग्राम हमारे रूरल इंडिया तक पहुंचेंगे। तो एक बहुत ही आज एक उल्लास और खुशी का वक्त है हम सबके लिए। हमें उम्मीद है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सिटीजन्स इसका फ़ायदा उठाएंगे और आज से ही आप एनरोलमेंट शुरू कर सकते हैं। अब वक्त है हमारे जो एस्टीम्ड गेस्ट हमारे साथ यहाँ जुड़े हुए हैं इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में, इस पहल के बारे में और हमें बताने के लिए। तो सबसे पहले मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी मिस लक्ष्मी नागेश्वरी को, जो कि एक सीनियर एनालिटिक हैं। पिछले 20 साल से ये काम कर रही हैं डेटा साइंस और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के एरिया में। शी इज़ एन एलुमनस ऑफ इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस हैदराबाद एंड MIT। इन्होंने बिग डेटा एप्लीकेशंस, मशीन लर्निंग एंड डीप लर्निंग से जुड़े हुए बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत ही सक्सेसफुली अकम्प्लिश किए हैं। एट बॉस्टन शी इज ग्लोबल हेड एट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एजुकेशन एंड सॉल्यूशंस, the Boston Training Academy at Boston Limited UK. So, Ms. Lakshmi, I invite you to please share your thought and guide us on the way forward. Over to you, Lakshmi.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, all the respectable honorable members on the event, participants, Greetings from Boston. I'll try हिंदी में बात करने के लिए कोशिश करूंगी. मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, मगर जहाँ पे भी बोल पाऊंगी, I will try my level best in between. First of all, I would like to thank entire CSC Academy team for giving us this opportunity to partner this initiative as knowledge partners. Coming to today's launch program, first of all, I would like to congratulate CSC team. From Boston side, we are really excited to be partnering this initiative. I would like to focus on the skill requirements and job opportunities based out of these courses we are launching today in this talk. As we are all aware of, AI is here to stay, grow, and change the across industry landscape forever. Artificial intelligence is changing business processes and customer-facing services in every sector. जैसे कि पीयूष गुप्ता जी ने बताया, almost all the sectors में AI का, data science का usage दिन बर दिन बढ़ता जा रहा है. And when we look at the application part of AI has the potential to create more efficient business processes, offering personalized services and assist in larger goals to improve good governance. The accelerated space of technological innovations has given birth to new business models at faster speed. In this rapid changing landscape, the competitive advantage will come from being fast. Every industry must embrace digital forces to innovate in smaller or broader cycles. Digital transformation is the buzzword in today's scenario. Every level of business is trying its hands in doing it. Lot of skills people are required to handle this transformation in this industry. As we see lot of skill gap in India. जैसे कि सबने बताया, इंडिया में बहुत सारा job opportunities are going to be around data science and business analytics for sure. जो भी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे, एवरग्रीन सेगमेंट्स लाइक मार्केटिंग, सेल्स, HR, फाइनेंस से लेके टेक्नोलॉजी तक, एवरी सेक्टर में डेटा साइंस और बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स का प्रयोग विल बी अ मैंडेट. सो जैसा जैसा ये डिमांड बढ़ता जा रहा है, वी नीड टू हैव स्किल पीपल. And lot of skill opportunities, skill gap is being identified and lot of opportunities are coming our way. जो काम कर रहे हैं already professionals, उनको भी अपने आप को upskill और reskill करने का जरूरत बहुत है. Professionals have to be reskill, upskill themselves in this space of business analytics or data science to regain or stabilize with their running job opportunities. At the same time, students who are building their careers, or want to build their careers in the space of data science, need to get a deeper understanding, hands-on trainings in this particular space. In this context, keeping the upcoming opportunities for students and working professionals, we have carefully designed the courses to impact effective knowledge and technology transfer as per industry futuristic requirements. We will focus on hands-on industry training in these particular courses in latest technologies and tools to ensure students and participants are industry ready in data science, business analytics, and AI space. With world-class technology training from Boston Training Academy and technical design support from Intel Software Tools and AWS, we believe academia and industry partnerships such as this will truly benefit the industry at large, ensuring first day, first hour productivity of new professionals. It is essential that graduates to build careers in data science, business analytics, have a working knowledge of tools and technologies that specific role in industry will demand from them. We are happy to play our role and supporting a pioneering effort in India AI space. In reality, students should learn the concept, tools, techniques, along with domain application of the same. Boston Training Academy with industry experts will be extensively involved in delivering the courses to provide industry insights on the use of data science and AI in industry verticals. जैसे कि पीयूष गुप्ता जी ने बताया, हम लोग इंडस्ट्री में जो काम कर रहे हैं, जो डेटा साइंस और बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स AI एरिया में एक्सपर्टाइज हैं, उनको लाके स्टूडेंट्स को सिखाएंगे कि ये सब्जेक्ट्स उनकी डे टू डे जॉब रोल्स में कैसे यूज किया जाता है और क्या स्किल सेट्स को उनको अपनाना पड़ेगा और इम्प्रूव कराएंगे तो उनको जल्दी से अच्छा सा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगा kind of. And as he mentioned, we have almost 10 short duration courses and 3 long duration courses targeting both engineering and technical background students with or without any background in data science space. And we have designed it so nicely that they can easily learn and master these areas. जो बच्चे इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रहे हैं, जो मैथ्स, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, साइंस बैकग्राउंड से हैं, उनके लिए तो very easily they will be able to adopt these trainings. At the same time, keeping in mind non-technical students and professionals like जिसने BA, BCom, commerce courses किया है, जो जॉब्स में कॉमर्स रिलेटेड कोर्सेज करने के बाद MBAs एंड ऑल जो जॉब कर रहे हैं HR, फाइनेंस, मार्केटिंग, सेल्स काइंड ऑफ डोमाइंस में, उनको नजर में रखते हुए वी हैव डिजाइन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स कोर्सेज, ताकि इवन दो दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स इन डीप, वो लोग भी ये कोर्सेज को आसानी से पढ़ पाएंगे और यूज कर पाएंगे इन देयर डे टू डे जॉब्स. एंड फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर फ्रॉम द कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड और नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड, दे विल बी गेटिंग वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन अक्रॉस डोमाइंस. क्योंकि आजकल जब देखा जाए, इवन इफ वी आर डूइंग अ मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट मार्केटिंग जॉब, हम लोगों को बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, डेटा को कैसे यूज करें, कस्टमर को कैसे समझा जाए और डेटा का यूज करके कस्टमर को ज्यादा सा सेटिस्फाई कैसे कर पाएंगे, अच्छे सा सर्विस कैसे प्रोवाइड कर पाएंगे, ये सब करने के लिए इवन एवरग्रीन जॉब्स कमिंग फ्रॉम मार्केटिंग, सेल्स, ऑपरेशंस, सप्लाई चेन, these areas are also really in need of business analytics knowledge. So we are trying our level best to patch up on these lines by providing a very good understanding of business analytics across domains. And as Piyush ji explained, the course we are taking in a particular stage where any student or any professional starting with level 1, by the time they complete the level 5 course, they will be doing basic, intermediate to advanced level of journey, and they with a very good business analytics or data science or AI. At the same time, they will be able to apply these skill sets on any given job roles. Just to give you a glimpse of the courses, we have a certificate in business analytics. As I said, we are focusing more on how to use data for the benefit of the company, grow business. And this particular course is targeting non-technical students and professionals. At the same time, there is no restrictions for technical students to catch up on business analytics based on their interest for the future jobs. At the same time, we have certificate in data science and certificate in AI, which are very highly technical courses targeting engineering, art, maths, science background students and professionals. Again, as I mentioned, there is no need of any prerequisites for certificate in data science course. Anybody can start from very basic scratch level and go through all the 5 levels. And by the time they complete, they will be gaining very good knowledge on data science subject, as well as they will be able to work on data science projects. Similarly, for certificate in AI, some knowledge around programming skills and some part of statistics is what we are looking for as a background. And even for those, as Piyush ji mentioned, we have short duration courses for people to gain knowledge around these basic prerequisites as a prerequisite before they start this journey and go through the certificate AI program. Through these courses, we have certificate in machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing kind of AI branch subjects. So even including each one of these modules like machine learning, we are covering supervised, unsupervised learnings and model building, predictive modeling part, so that the student who is learning a programming language like Python and grabbing some knowledge around the statistics part and jumping on to machine learning will be able to build predictive modeling across industry verticals. And we will be doing this training more on the hands-on side along with the theoretical aspects and giving very good insights in the industry application part of it. It's a blended model, as we discussed, and once the student will go through the entire e-learning content, in between, we have few quizzes, some kind of assignments, some evaluation tests, and mini projects to encourage and evaluate student performance in this particular journey. And we have interactive sessions with the faculties, and we will have a forum to discuss the doubt clearing part of it. If anybody got stuck with any doubts, they can post their doubts, and in faculty interactive sessions, हमारी faculty आपका local language में आपको explain कर सकते हैं, आपका doubts clear भी करेंगे. And once we finish all these assignments, learning curve, doubt clearing हो गया. By the time you finish the certificate at each certificate level, you will gain very good deep dive understanding of the topic and application towards industry. So this is what we have designed for this particular initiative. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Piyush Gupta ji and team for all their support in crafting these courses. उनका बहुत सारा guidance था, understanding the rural background student requirements. And that's the reason we have picked up local languages to make student comfortable in. And even the entire course module has been partitioned in such a way that easy to digest, easily समझ पाएंगे अपने आप पर. And faculties also have done a good job. And we have all industry faculties who will be connecting with students to clarify their doubts and face-to-face session delivery करने के लिए. Looking forward to working with CSC team for the better future of students across rural India. Thanks again for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. It was so interesting to listen to you. You spoke about the bridging the gap between the desired skill and the gap. लक्ष्मी ने बहुत अच्छे से हमें बताया कि जो हमें स्किल सेट चाहिए अभी डेटा साइंस के एरिया में और जिस तरह के स्किल सेट है उसका जो गैप है वो इंडस्ट्री के पार्टनर्स के साथ मिलकर कैसे हम अपस्किलिंग के एरिया में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. और इसके लिए आपको किसी बैकग्राउंड की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप एक नॉन साइंस नॉन टेक्नोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड के बाद भी ये सारे कोर्सेज कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी विद द CSC Academy. एंड आई एम श्योर कि बहुत सारे हमारे जो रूरल सिटीजन्स हैं उनको इससे फ़ायदा होगा. अब इसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी मिस्टर देव त्यागी से, जो कि चीफ सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर हैं फॉर द बॉस्टन ग्रुप, और एक्चुअली वो को फाउंडर भी हैं बॉस्टन लिमिटेड का, जो कि 1992 में इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था श्री मनोज नाई के साथ. पिछले 30 सालों में इन्होंने कई इनोवेटिव और प्रोग्रेसिव मार्केट्स एंड प्रोडक्ट्स क्रिएट किए हैं. इतना ही नहीं, बॉस्टन के अलावा देव एक बहुत ही पहुंचे हुए एंटरप्रेन्योर, इन्वेस्टर और ये मेंटोर भी हैं. बहुत सारे जो टेक्नोलॉजी के दुनिया के जो एग्जीक्यूटिव्स हैं उनको ये मेंटरिंग भी करते हैं. सो काफ़ी कुछ है इनसे सुनने के लिए और सीखने के लिए. तो आइए, नाउ आई वेलकम मिस्टर देव त्यागी टू प्लीज शेयर हिज थॉट ऑन दिस पार्टनरशिप.
Thank you so much for the very kind introduction, and thank you very much for the CSC Academy and all of the honourable members of this team to allow us this forum to talk. And a great thanks to the VLC as well, without whose help this would not be possible. I was listening with some interest to everybody who has spoken so far, and actually I was reminded of a few things. And I will also, by the way, attempt a little bit of Hindi. As you can tell, it's not my mother tongue, it's not my native language, but I will do my best at certain points to do that. I always remember my father said to me, अगर लाइफ में कुछ बनना है तो या तो डॉक्टर बनो या लॉयर बनो या इंजीनियर। और मैंने ये बोला कि डैडी मैं तो टेक्नोलॉजी में जाऊंगा। एंड ही सेड ये टेक्नोलॉजी ये क्या होता है? And I could never explain it. It was very difficult to explain. And he said to me, okay, you should do better than me. Your education should be better than mine. I want you to achieve more than I achieved. तो हर एक माँ बाप यही चाहते हैं ना कि अपने बच्चे थोड़े आगे बढ़े उनसे। तो आजकल जो है ये टेक्नोलॉजी, ये डेटा हो गया। डेटा जो है सबके सेंट्रल पॉइंट है, आपके हाथ में है एक्चुअली। ये जो स्मार्टफोन, अगर आपके पास ये कोई स्मार्टफोन है तो डेटा आपके हाथ में है। आपको शायद पता भी नहीं है कि बैकग्राउंड में क्या हो रहा है, इसका एनालिसिस चल रहा है। आप फोटो खींचते अपने फूड के या अपने बच्चों के या फैमिली के, ये सारा एनालिसिस चल रहा है इन द बैकग्राउंड। और ये सब डेटा एनालिसिस जो है ये डेटा साइंटिस्ट का जरूरत है। मैंने ये सुना कि 11 मिलियन जॉब्स बनेंगे इस फील्ड में। फिर मैंने ये सोचा कि हमने अपना बिजनेस शुरू करा, 2 आदमी थे, मैं मनोज दोनों थे, जो शुरू में बॉस्टन को 1992 में करा था, है नहीं। और मैं ये सोचता कि पहले हमने यूके में करा, फिर हमने जर्मनी में करा, फिर फ्रांस में करा। 10 साल पहले हमने इंडिया में शुरू करा। और सबसे बड़ा दिमाग जो है ना, सबसे अच्छा दिमाग इंडिया में है। तो ये ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी इसलिए एस्टेब्लिश करा बिकॉज रूरल इंडिया हैज द बेस्ट ब्रेन्स एंड आवर जॉब इज टू enhance the learning, to do better, to make sure that we are delivering the best quality, because the skills shortage is not in India, it is worldwide. पूरा दुनिया में ये प्रॉब्लम है। Data is the new oil, and our job is to explore it and to refine it and then to have it consumed. So what we're trying to do with this collaboration with CSE is meaningless without you. We need the participation, we need the students to help deliver on these global problems. You will read about climate change, you will see about these forest fires and floods and landslides across the world. These are big problems that we face. So data science is at the core of helping to solve those big issues. And when we talk about data science, it is not just about the algorithms. It isn't about just the AI. It isn't just about the machine learning or the deep learning. It's about the full end-to-end operational part. And then I go and I look at this AI, this paradigm shift, this move to data. And I think back to my father again, where he said, be a doctor, be a lawyer, be an engineer. And one thing is true, that AI and data has to be understood if you're a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer. It doesn't matter which field you are working in. This could be a literal field in agriculture, or it could be a field of study, or it could be a field of application. If you are a lawyer, your life will not be untouched by AI, because we will start to read documents. We will start to translate documents by the machine learning process. But we can only do that if we have a highly skilled workforce. And there is no better place than India for that highly skilled workforce. There are some major advantages. And I believe that we are all in this together, and we're all starting this journey from the same place. And I don't mean CSE Academy and Boston. I mean, at a global level, this is still a very young art. So anyone who's coming onto these courses is starting the journey along with everybody else in the world. In fact, I would suggest that India is actually much more advanced when it comes to its long-term vision, its thinking, its understanding of data. And it is a nation full of engineers, full of scientists, full of mathematical experts, and an incredible rich history in all of those arts. So our job is to not forget those. Our job is to enhance those. Our job is to make sure that the new batch of students that are coming through are well educated in the languages that they need to learn to make sure that the technology is deployed in the best possible ways. Whether you're a doctor, a lawyer, a farmer, an HR professional, that doesn't matter. But if you don't understand the data, if you don't understand the AI, you will face a challenge in the future. So one of the things that I am very proud to say, that the courses that Lakshmi has designed have been designed to take people from a zero to hero. You don't need to know anything to begin with. This level 1 course is the introduction, and the level 5 course is not the end. There will be much more learning that you will want to do by yourselves. And I hope that one day, when you look back, you will say, CSE Academy was forward thinking. The VLC helped enable me at an individual level. And I hope that you will give back as well, because this is not a 2-year or 3-year journey. This is a life journey that we have to get on together. And this is the right place, in my opinion, to make that happen. And I think there's just a few other key points where we talk about AI, but it's the whole ecosystem. This is not about technology. This is about everything we do in our lives. Whether we're in a restaurant and we're, today, because of the pandemic, you can go to a restaurant and you can scan a QR code and you can order directly from your mobile phone, right? And this is going to continue. We talk about this blockchain. This blockchain is going to impact the financial services industry. So where the money is also going to require experts in data. And this is what we are trying to do. We are trying to, through this partnership, ensure that we have the lead on the rest of the world. And I think this is where you come in. We need you to be on those courses. It is a phenomenal, amazing, incredible opportunity to be aligned with CSE and to have this AI for all initiative is really an incredible futuristic vision. And I believe that CSE and the India government has been very far-sighted in the deployment of that industry. And I would say that artificial intelligence, one has to remember, it must be deployed very intelligently. It's not just about going into a course and learning something. It's about how it gets applied. So that is a really important part and the difference between the collaboration of CSE and Boston Training Academy. We are hopefully going to make people who are going to add value to the community and to the businesses that they are working in. It's the application of AI that is the most important thing. So the way that we plan to deploy the knowledge that we're going to impart is living and breathing, because the world is living and breathing and it changes every single day. So we have to be aware of that. And that's where your feedback becomes so critical. And this is what Lakshmi is referring to. It's not just about the course, it's about the content of the courses. It's about the problems that are being seen out there in the market. So we strive for excellence, and that excellence comes from you, it comes from CSE, it comes from the VLC, it comes from us as a complete community. So our focus on the hands-on industrial training uses the latest and greatest technologies. And those technologies we, as in Boston, have been nurturing for over 30 years. So this is not just about the software only, it's about understanding how you deploy this in the infrastructure, on the hardware, on the CPUs, on the IPUs, on the GPUs. These are all different technologies that help accelerate the process of the mathematics that's behind all of the AI that we've been talking about. So you will have seen that during my short narrative, I lost all of my Hindi. So forgive me for doing that. And I just want to say once again, thank you very much to everybody. Really appreciate this collaboration, very valuable to us. And I hope that everyone will come on those courses and make a big difference to our world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dev. It was interesting listening to you. जैसा देव जी ने बोला कि ऑयल जो एक ज़माने में ऑयल की महत्व होती थी, आज के ज़माने का ऑयल जो है वो डेटा है. डेटा इज़ द ऑयल फॉर न्यू एरा. तो ये बहुत ही पते की बात है. ये सब के बारे में अगर हम सोचें और इसको समझें कि डेटा का क्या रोल है हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में, और बॉस्टन का ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी के साथ जो हमने कोर्सेज कोलैबोरेट किए हैं, वो कोर्सेज करके, चाहे आप टेक्नोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड के नहीं भी हैं, आप एक डॉक्टर हैं या इंजीनियर हैं या लॉयर हैं, जो भी एक ट्रेडिशनल हमारा एक चला आ रहा था प्रोफेशन, हर एरिया में आगे जा सकते हैं. तो ये किसी एक तबके या एक एज ग्रुप या एक समाज के लिए नहीं बना है, ये पूरे विश्व के लिए जरूरी है ये जो कोर्सेज हैं. और आपको जब भी समय मिले आप सब जरूर इस कोर्स के लिए एनरोल करें और अपने आप को जो अपडेट करें और आज की दुनिया में सर उठाकर जीने के लायक बनाएं. और अब ज़्यादा समय नष्ट नहीं करते हुए मैं हमारे जो एवर स्माइलिंग और एवर मोटिवेटिंग हमारे डॉक्टर त्यागी सर हैं, MD CSC एंड सेक्रेटरी CSC एकेडमी, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी सर कि आप हमें गाइड करें हमेशा की तरह कि इस नई शुरुआत को हम और कैसे एक नए लेवल पे ले जा सकते हैं. ओवर टू यू त्यागी सर.
थैंक यू वंदना. सभी को नमस्कार. सबसे पहले देव त्यागी जी, लक्ष्मी जी, बोस्टन एकेडमी की तरफ से जो आपने सपोर्ट दिया है, आई मस्ट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एसोसिएटिंग CSC एकेडमी. इट्स अ ग्रेट प्रिविलेज फॉर अस. आई डोंट नो वेदर हमारे बच्चों ने आपको CSC के बारे में कितना बताया है, बट वी आर नॉट मेकिंग इंजीनियर्स, डॉक्टर्स, बट वी आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. That is the difference. So we have now 400,000 of these entrepreneurs across the country, and they're using digital tools and technologies with the objective of simplifying life of the man who lives in the village. That is the whole narrative of how CSC works. And they do phenomenally well. There are about 60,000 of these are women, and they do extremely well. As usual, these women are very enterprising, very highly enterprising. Their credibility is higher, their commitment. And since we do large number of activity, they're able to do multitasking very easily as compared to the counterpart in other parts of the CSCs. What do? We do large number of works, but DBT we call them. One of the things which you call digital doctor, digital banker, and digital teacher. That is how we envisage. And we do believe that in the physical mode, these three areas is very unlikely to cover. You can't have a doctor in a village. It's not possible. Whatever you do, it is not possible to send a doctor. Even a paramedic does not stay in a village. So what do you try and work out? Is the digital doctor or digital tool technology which we're using will help and simplify life for people to access similar kind of medical advice as available to one in urban area? That is what we do. So we do large number of them. We do, fortunately, in all the forms of medicine, Ayurvedic, homeopathy, and allopathy, and give the choice to citizen, whatever you want to do consultation. Government of India also during COVID time, thanks to COVID, at least brought out guidelines on telemedicine. Otherwise, were legally not permissible before these guidelines. Today, it's legally permissible to do teleconsultation, and we do large number of these across the country. Next is the teacher. Similarly, the good teacher will not be available in a village. As it happens with doctor, the good teacher generally moves out. He doesn't stay in the village. So what happened to the village? As Dev Tyagi ji said, the level of intelligence for people in rural India is almost equal to that in urban area. In my view, of course, it's better than even those in urban areas. Only the opportunities are not available to them. So what we also in our CSC saying our foundation is education, our basic foundation education. And for the purpose of education, we need to try and work out the non-traditional methods of what we do. Schools, of course, the government does it. Whatever happens, see, 30% of the students go to the college, 70% does not even get admission to college. And nobody looks after them. There is no scheme or the program to look after them. There are about 30% dropout at primary level. Nobody looks after them. There are men and women who, for some reason, are unable to go to a school or get married. I met women who got married and went to the village saying, I want to study, but I can't study. Well, it's not their fault. They have intention, they have inclination, and they have intelligence level, but there is no framework existing. CSC fills up that gap and provide a framework for this so far uncovered segment of the society. In the traditional system of schools and colleges, there are other people who take care of them. That's what we do. And we have these enterprises. So we almost do everything in education, from class 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, some computers courses, depending on what a citizen in rural India needs. Ours is not a classroom type. Ours is largely digital, and we may get one in one location. We will not get 20 in one location. That's how we are different. So even if you get one in one location, in 100,000 of these centers, I may still get 100,000 of these students registered for the same course. But that is how our CSC Academy is actually a differentiator as compared to traditional way of teaching in that format. And our association and partners, it does explain that our format is digital, our delivery is digital, our certification digital, because we do understand, even in pre-COVID time, we are the first one to launch a program called Remote Proctoring Examination System in the country, where exam also can take place in the village. Otherwise, most of the courses, the exam has to take place in district headquarters. And this girl or the boy will not be able to go. At least the women will not be allowed to go to even appear for the exam. So they were handicapped in that sense. We are bridging that handicap by using technology and trying helping people. उसी जगह पर पढ़िए, उसी जगह पर फॉर्म दीजिए, उसी जगह पर एग्जाम दीजिए. That is the basic concept on which we designed this. And it is possible. That is very transformative. And we find the response is good. People are getting. I remember an incident when we organized a workshop for women about 2 years before. One of these girls from a tribal area in Chhattisgarh came to me saying that, Sir, आप हमें app बनाना नहीं सिखा सकते. And this girl was from a tribal area. And then we launched a program. We actually, after they started the program on how to make an app. It was a simple program. We catched hold of one partner in Tamil Nadu. He has the platforms. He used to do that part of the work, and we started a program for how to make an app. But look at the ambition and the aspiration of the girl in tribal area. She also wants to make an app. She also wants to learn how to make an app. But is there a traditional way of trying to fulfilling those ambitions? No, that is not. So that's why CSC builds up that gap. And look at the aspirations of these emerging people in rural India to try and cop up and learn the emerging technologies. The technologies, the program which are launched today are phenomenal. Their potential is very large. And I'm sure these boys and girls who are working in villages or who will be able to try and access them and learn the way you want to impart them. And good that it is in local language. तो बहुत अच्छा होगा क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे local language में थोड़ा सा हम हिंदी वालों को थोड़ा हिंदी में सिखाना पड़ता है. One in Tamil Nadu want to learn in Tamil because we have been dealing for a long time to understand the language is one of the assets for them in order to grasp the subject little faster. अंग्रेजी भी सिखाते हैं. हमने अंग्रेजी भी सिखाया है लोगों को. We actually run a program for how to speak and how to speak English programs. हमारे कुछ बच्चे बहुत ही enterprising हैं. They not only run on their CSC, they actually go and adopt nearby schools and colleges. हमारी एक लड़की हैदराबाद में है, उसने एक नए स्कूल को अडॉप्ट किया, उसके सारे बच्चों को इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स सिखाया, and she earned about 8 lakh rupees. But she is amazing. That girl is very amazing. So what we do is, some of these enterprising boys go to the nearest school or the nearest college, explain to them, because you need advocacy to explain. See, the teacher won't do advocacy. If somebody has to do advocacy program, give them the value, saying that what will happen to you, because the people may have some genuine questions. We may look good, but they actually may have some genuine questions to ask you. What will happen? Where do I get a job in the village, or do I get a job outside the village? Can I sit my house and try and do a job? See, all these questions need to be answered by somebody who is local. I probably will not be able to, even if the trust for me will take a little longer. But this local entrepreneur, since they build credibility, is able to answer those questions. And once he is able to create an advocacy for the program, then they're able to register. And traditionally, we don't do anything free. We charge for everything because we don't believe that anything free can be given. So every small thing we do, there's a cost to it. Either the government pays or the citizen pays, but somebody pays for it. Our entrepreneur has to earn some livelihood. So there's an incentive for him. He's local and he's energetic and he wants to create a business opportunity for himself. That is the quality of that's all the enterprises are built in across the country. As I said, we have some people are very phenomenal. Some people are too good. One guy is only Sanskrit. He studied only Sanskrit. And for last 2 years, he's been running an academy. He last year turnover about 2 crores rupees. But he's a great guy, an amazing fellow who learned technology and he's doing that. So it's nothing to do with, as Lakshmiji said, nothing to do with what you have learned. Whether you're a computer learning or science learning, if you have the inclination to learn, you can learn all this. With some basic science or some mathematics background, I think you should be able to learn and do all the program. So for us, this is very exciting. And first time we are doing something on emerging technologies and a futuristic value proposition for our citizens across the country in rural India. It will be great. In addition to what we do for citizens, see, first, of course, our entrepreneurs themselves will be willing to learn. So there are 400,000 of them. They'll be willing to, I'm sure that many of them, because we have some of these guys, MCAs, who are running computer science. Some are also engineers. In fact, in Haryana, most of them are engineering graduates. They run the CSE. So they themselves will like to learn these courses in order to hone up their skills because it's good for them to do that part of it. So they will do that part of the work. In addition, we have also a large number of our own employees. So our employees can also learn because I think we believe that our employees learn, our entrepreneurs learn. Once they certify and they undergo the drill, then it is easy for them to convince the outsider, the citizen, in order to come and enroll himself. That becomes very easy for him saying, look, I have learned it, I have got a certificate. And then when they say this guy with commerce background has got a certificate in digital marketing or something of that nature, or data analytics, then he'll be happy that he gets a confidence, he or she gets a confidence that she will also be able to get undergo the program. So that's how this system is built in. It may take a little longer for some time, but I think as Dev Tyagi said, the relation is not momentary, it's for long period. But the larger objective is that the community in villages will get benefited and get access to similar kind of avenues which are available to people in urban areas. And since you're linking the industry, it will be great for us to try and place placements. We also run a rural Naukri portal of our system. So wherever we do this training program, we also register to them. And that the access to a lot of these industry can be provided with it. With Boston Training Academy certificate, it's a huge value proposition for these guys and phenomenal value for them, both on getting some jobs and other part. The opportunities are phenomenal in almost all fields. We do everything, as I said, we do agriculture, telemedicine, on education, on financial inclusion. We do a large number of financial inclusion services, almost everything on financial inclusion. Banking, insurance, pension, all the schemes and programs are done through CSE. We have also done an economic census. 40 crore household census was done using technology through CSE. And we created 1.4 million professional enumerators in this country. And a large number of the women, they actually do enumeration work. So if Boston Consulting, since you are Dev Tyagi is still there, if you need some survey to be done, you can use these professional enumerator for we'll help you in doing a survey. And using technology, they all use mobile. First time, the 7th economic census for 40 crore households were done through CSE using these men and women in villages. And they're phenomenal. They learned the skills of how to get the data and the information from households. That skill has been. They've also been certified through a program which we did. So we have professional enumerators now doing that part of the work. We also doing the enrollment of laborers, 40 crore of laborers to be enrolled through the CSE ecosystem, getting a unique ID, and these laborers will then get integrated in various formats. So we do with a lot of other ministries also and programs and support them in various formats. Most of the Government of India programs which want to rural areas, they use CSE network. They use CSE network for registration, for updation, or for collection of various info, or for dispensing even the money which is transferred to the accounts. The dispensation takes place to the Common Service Center. So for us, it's a great opportunity. It's a great learning. And for our VLS level entrepreneurs across the country, they will learn themselves. They will also enable the nearby schools and college students to learn. And also anybody who is a dropout and still want to learn or not able to get a school or a college admission, they can also come and learn through the same format. We have 6,000 academies, which are a little better than each block. These academies have better infrastructure. These academies, of course, can do little more numbers. They can enroll 5 to 10 people as compared to a CSE, which will be able to enroll 1 or 2 students in that format. So we will also learn from you, and if there are mid-course correction required in an approach or strategy, we will learn from you. We probably have better experience in dealing with India and abroad. So if there's some more courses or some more demand, if you can also launch a program on how to make an app, that will be great, because I still remember, and everybody at least they want to make an app for their own village or their own shop. So how to make an app on a cloud somewhere, you can do the system, and they can try and make some simple apps. Even a directory for their own panchayat for all the government officials can be through an app. But it's a great story. They get very excited. Look, very simple, but there's a great excitement on technology, which makes the daily life very simple. See, if I tell them that your life is now being simplified because you have made this app, the excitement is so much to learn more. That is how we can do that. So we'll be grateful if you can do some simple program. And we, of course, have a large number of other demands coming up. Since we are now in touch, our team will be in touch with you and request you for doing some programs on, if you can do some programs on other part of technology, like the technology on diagnostics. We do a lot of diagnostic works, but first, of course, the technology on diagnostic is not very easily accessible in India. We have some diagnostic tools which are available electronically, but we don't have certified people who can operate diagnostic tools for medical science or for we do most of them tele-law, tele-agriculture, tele-animal husbandry, and telemedicine. Everything tele. Everything using technology. So we have the framework, but largely to simplify the life of the man in the village, that he doesn't have to go. And our Prime Minister says, I will make everything available to you and near to your house. You don't have to go to a government office. That is our mandate. And that's what we're all working for. Hope things improve quite a lot. And COVID has helped us quite a lot in COVID had shown challenges, but for the CSE, it is a huge opportunity because we redefined the way the systems now work within the government in order to deliver services. So thank you so much. And all the VLE and of course the CSE Academy, this is a great opportunity. सब लोग थोड़ा मेहनत करना, खुद सीख लेना, फिर स्कूल और कॉलेज में सिखाना, और फिर जितने बच्चे हैं आसपास उनको सिखा देना. हमारे जितने भी एम्प्लॉइज जो हैं, अगर वो ये कोर्स करेंगे तो उनको फीस हम रियम्बर्स कर देंगे. We will reimburse as an organization the fees to all of them. But they have to complete the course. They can't be doing only modules. They have to complete the full course and get it done. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jaggi. Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. आज फिर एक हर बार जब सर से बात होती है लॉन्च सेरेमनी पे तो हमें कुछ खुशखबरी मिलती है. तो अभी एक खुशखबरी आई है सारे हमारे स्टेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट टीम जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. ये प्रोग्राम ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हो चुका है आज, तो जल्दी से इसमें एनरोल करके प्रोग्राम फिनिश करिए, बिकॉज जैसा कि त्यागी सर ने बताया है फीस विल बी रीइंबर्स्ड अगर आप ये प्रोग्राम करते हैं, अगर प्रोग्राम पूरा करते हैं, सर्टिफाई होते हैं उसके बाद. और साथ ही साथ हमारे जो 4 लाख के करीब हमारी VLE कम्युनिटी जो हमसे जुड़ी है, जो भी सुन सकती है हमें, आप सब भी पहले ये कोर्स खुद करिए और उसके बाद आपको समझ में आ जाए कि ये कोर्स क्या है, इसके क्या फ़ायदे हैं. ये कोर्स करने के बाद आपको अपने आप में क्या परिवर्तन नज़र आता है, तब आप रेस्ट ऑफ द सिटीजन्स को भी अच्छे से बता सकते हैं, उनको समझा सकते हैं. और जैसा सर ने बोला कि चाहे वो ड्रॉप आउट हो या कोई एक जल्दी शादी हो गई, बच्ची हो, या हमारे विलेज लेवल एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, किसी भी एरिया में आप, जो एस्पिरेशंस और एम्बिशंस होते हैं वो लिमिटेड नहीं होते हैं कि आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है. सपने देखने का हक सबको है और सपना पूरा करने का भी वक्त आ गया है. तो इसके साथ ही मैं वंदना राय, कंसल्टेंट CSE एकेडमी, आप सबको धन्यवाद करती हूँ हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. हमारे जो गेस्ट हैं आज बॉस्टन ग्रुप से, मिस्टर देव एंड मिस लक्ष्मी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. काफ़ी अच्छी बातें और प्रोग्रेसिव बातें हमने दी है. लॉट्स ऑफ फूड ऑफ थॉट फॉर थॉट वी हैव गॉट. एंड जैसा सर ने बोला, ऐप डेवलपमेंट एंड डायग्नोस्टिक के एरिया में भी हम लोग आगे कुछ काम करना चाहेंगे. सो विद ऑल दिस थॉट Thank you, Piyush, sir, for guiding us all the time and being there to support us all the time. Thank you, Kanika ma'am, to lead this Boston project with us and getting things at place to get it going. And last but not the least, thank you so much, Dr. Dinesh Tyagi, sir, for being there, supporting us and taking us forward on the way to growth and progress. So thank you so much. Have a great evening, all of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Vandana. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad.